Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I'm going to go live on Zoom on February 13th at 4 p.m. to talk about how you can save federal taxes legally. Between now and then, I want to show you how I'm going to save, my clients are saving. The Spendthrift Trust is legal, copywritten in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It comes from England way back when King Henry VIII, yes, the famous king for chopping off his wives' heads, started the Church of England so he could divorce his wives. It's contract law that came to the colonies while we were still part of England. The law firm I work on behalf of inherited a trust that turned 350 years old in 2023. Our current tax code went into effect February of 1913, 110 years ago, and the super rich families of the time, the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, the Kennedys, made sure they could continue to save taxes. Well, I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors how to save taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. Now, the trust is split in two. There's the business trust and there's the beneficial trust. Both trusts are going to save you in four very important ways. Number one, federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. Number two, keep your information 100% private. There's a false rumor your LLC keeps your information private. I can go to the Secretary of State website or the Corporation Commission website and research your LLC. There's a reason why 40% of all LLCs get sued every single year. The information's not private. Number three, all lawsuits are going to become frivolous lawsuits. If you get everything into the trust, they cannot sue the trust. They can still sue me, the individual, but I'm worth nothing. Everything I own is in the trust. And then number four, if you're not aware of the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department, the Spendthrift Trust I sell from Benson Financial Trust shields you from having to do that paperwork. I have one client who had 44 LLCs who no longer has to do 44 different times the paperwork. So the business trust is for U.S. business owners. You can save at least 90% on your federal income taxes year after year, generation after generation. If you live in one of the 43 states that have state income taxes, you will save those taxes too. The beneficial trust, you're going to save 5 different taxes year after year. You're going to save short-term and long-term capital gains when you sell something at a profit. You're going to save interest income if you're a passive investor. If you are a creative financing, seller financing, doing the subject to real estate, doing the burst strategy in real estate, doing a forex investing, or have notes. You're going to save dividend income taxes if you are in the stock market, if you're a day trader, if you're doing commodities trading or futures trading. Options traders, I want to tell you, you get taxed 40% on your profits for a year or less and 60% on your profits for a year or more. Then you're going to save rental income taxes. I don't care if it's short-term rental like Airbnb, if vacation rentals, traveling nurses, 5 doors, 10 doors, 20 doors, 50 doors, multifamily or commercial properties. Yes, you can take depreciation. Yes, you can take cost averaging, but still you will save rental income, keep your information private, pay no judgments if you get sued. And finally, royalty income taxes. If you're an actor, an actress, a writer, a musician, if you're in the NFT world, NFT crypto, NFT real estate, NFT artwork, if you have mineral rights, if you have copyrighted information, I don't pay taxes on selling the trust. If you have patents or anything else, you could be saving thousands of dollars. Today's example I want to show you is somebody who saw one of my YouTube videos talking about saving rental income taxes. He and his wife are down in Miami, and he is working full time. She's a stay-at-home mom. He's working full time, and he's making about $82,000, and they have 4 Airbnb arbitrages that they rented out in 2023. In 2023, they made $208,222. Yes, we have to get that extra $2 in there at 24% interest rate. Also, we're going to take that out of their 1040 tax returns that he has in his LLC and put it into a 1041 tax return. So we're lowering their taxes from 24% down to 12%. So from $36,058 down to $25,000, saving $25,482. Their Airbnb income, Airbnb arbitrage income is also going to be saved. So that's $49,973 plus the $25,482. He's really saving $75,455 for the full year of 2024. His question to me is like, why am I still working? I'm like, that's a good question. Why are you still working? That's going to be a decision for him to decide. So again, if you would like to find out more about how to save federal income taxes, if you're a U.S. business owner or a U.S. 1099 income earner, or save capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, or royalties, please reach out to me. You can always make an appointment with me at thetrustisyou.com scheduling. I will go live on February 13th at 4 p.m. to talk about this. Again, my goal is to help as many U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors save federal taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. Thank you for watching. Have a nice Friday night. Take care. Bye-bye.